Hello everyone, welcome back for another workout. We're hitting core and lower back for today, so take your mat. Let's get started. Inhale first deeply. Then exhale. One more deep inhale. Then exhale again. Let me adjust my mic. Okay, here we go. First, we're gonna do something very simple. Arms on the ground, knees square, engage your core, rotate your core low back. Engage everything, and rotate your hips, elevate your knees from the ground. From here, we're gonna step forward from your arms and bend them back. One time we step with left arm forward, one time with right. Here we go. 20. Right arm first. 1, 2. Block your core lower back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the next one will be plank position. Legs are straight. From here, we need to place our arms more forward a little bit. Legs should be together. We're gonna bend our elbows and up. Elbows and up. Here we go. 10. Let's work. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep holding this. We're gonna continue only with knees. Bend the knees. And 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, nice. 6, 7, go ahead. 8, 9, 10. Keep holding 10 seconds. Lock your core, everything. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Knees on the ground, take a deep breath. Exhale. Back again, plank position. We're gonna drive our right knee towards the left elbow, and then we switch. Left knee towards the right elbow. Here we go. 20 and 2, nice. 3, 4, squeeze. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, 20. 3, go ahead. 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10. And release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. The next one will be, I think, more challenging for most of you, but you can try. Plank position. Again, from here, we're gonna bend our left elbow on the ground and drive your left knee up. And then back. Right, and then back. Make sure you're moving down slowly if you are not so strong. Here we go. We're gonna do 10, 5 on each side. Nice and smooth. Don't be rushed, don't move too fast. Lock your core lower back, rotate your pelvis. Plank position. Here we go from the left. Arm and leg started. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay. Lie down on your back. Let's continue working. You bend your legs slightly. Rotate your pelvis. Elevate from the ground. Left leg go fully straight. We're gonna hold As you can see, with your right more toes off the ground, we're gonna start bending your left 10 times. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, nice. 4, keep pushing. 5, 6, 10 times. 7, 8, 9, 10. You hold 90 degrees. And then from here, we're gonna open towards the side. 10, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, push. 6, nice. 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, and release. Take a deep breath, let's rest. Exhale. Again, flat back, elevate, right foot in front. Here we go, bend 10 times. 1, 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, nice. 5, push. 6, push. 7, awesome. 8, 9, 10, hold. From here towards the side. 1, go ahead. 2, nice. 3, 4, lock. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Elevate your upper back, chest on the ground. From here, we need to touch our heels. Straight arms towards the side, palms look up. Let's work. 20, 2, 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Again, flat back. Bend your legs. Arms in front of you straight. We're gonna lower arms and legs together. Legs go straight, arms go back. Here we go. 12. Let's work. Flat back. And 2, nice. 3, continue. 4, go ahead. 5, push. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Here we go again. Elevate your chest, arms towards the side, bend your legs, left open. We're gonna switch 1 by 1, 20. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, push. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Toes and heels together, knees open towards the side, butterfly. Elevate your butt off the ground and hold. 10 seconds. It's better to do with your head, so elevate your head off the ground and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you close the legs together, push your body even higher and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down. Up. Be seated from here. Lower back should be straight. From here, arm should be straight. We're gonna open up the left arm, the left leg forward and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch right leg up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. Last one. Elbows on the ground, chest on the ground. From here, I want you just to push with your upper back, with your arms. Pike your body all over up. Flat back. Everything should be like tight and down. Here we go. We're gonna do 12. Let's work. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You should be very tight. 10, 2 more. 11, 12, and hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath. Finishing strong, down dog. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Way forward to upper facing dog. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, quick one. Thank you for being with me. Wish you all the best. Subscribe, share, comment. I'm always thankful for. Peace out.